Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Lisa Whitcock.
We're super excited about another listing we have here in the Bay Area. Lisa, you know what I like about this one? This one happens to be in San Leandro, which I love because its proximity to San Francisco, Oakland, Hayward. You can take the Bridge 92 and go to Facebook. And there's so many options over here being in this location. What do you think?
Yes, this is a great location, wonderful neighborhood. It's in the Cherrywood neighborhood. This house is awesome. It has a lot of potential. It can be 4 or 5 bedrooms. It's located right up the street from BART. You can walk there. Easy commute all over the Bay Area. You have to come and look at this house.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 382 Alvarado Street, an expansive contemporary home in the desirable Cherrywood community. A grand entrance awaits with cathedral ceilings, gleaming hardwood floors, and arched doorways. Adjoining the kitchen is a spacious family room with cozy fireplace. The kitchen features a large island with breakfast bar and designer countertops. Upstairs is complete with a bonus room that can easily be used as an office or playroom, in addition to a separate laundry room for added convenience. Private backyard with pergola and beautiful low-maintenance landscaping is perfect for family enjoyment. This home is conveniently located within walking distance to BART, easy access to freeways, downtown shops, parks, and restaurants. Don't miss this opportunity today.
Wasn't the natural light and high ceilings wonderful? This is such a great house. Thank you for taking the tour.
And not to mention, it's a great opportunity. Now, if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.